Yeah, hello everyone. It's been a kind of an impossible situation to be able to record the ride. Don't have the camera mounted, and it's just too much to hold the steering wheel and everything, and clutch and do the ride. So we're at the second stop. I didn't get the video of the first stop, but we're at the second stop. This is called the Farmall stop, and this gentleman got a lot of Farmall tractors, and we stopped at this place. So I'm gonna flip y'all around, and we're gonna walk by all the tractors that's on the ride, trucks and tractors and gators. So here we go. We got this monster here. I love that old truck. And then we got the, as we come on down the line, great big case 2670. Big boy. And then a real nice John Deere 4320. In front of him is a 4230. I need to get my new generation out and start riding in rides with it. Except I don't have a cab on it. There's the OG. It's next sitting here. And then in front of me is this sharp looking little M. And there's one of our passengers. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Guys,
how are you?
ice cold freezer pop.
You enjoying the ride?
Come on, what for?
We'll get a blue one just go this week.
Over here we got a Deutz
Ice cold freezer
M5 Minneapolis Moline propane. And I'm not sure what Moline that is, but another propane. Love the big mows. In front of that's another propane tractor, a 504 Farmall. And in front of that's a 454. Got the nice seat platform on the back. Has a couple of riders with him. Oliver 66. Nice tractor for a ride. Good, comfortable. He's got him a umbrella on. Little Ford. Couple more Farmalls up here, 3 of them. There's a C, Super C, and another C with a trailer behind it, and there's a 50 John Deere. I'm gonna take you up here and take you for a walk down through the Farmalls the gentleman here where we stopped has on display. And again, we got our porta potty with us. Anytime we need a porta potty, we got it available right there. So what we got over here now, some really sharp Farmalls. There's a 460 Super M, another Super M, a third Super M, and here's an M. And I'm not sure exactly what the difference in the Super M and the M is. Another M, well prepared, well cared for tractors, no doubt. Another M. I'm not sure if these all have different kind of designations besides the M. I'm not that familiar with Farmall equipment. There's a nice H. H is a really good sized tractor. The M was a little bigger than I wanted. I almost bought an H to farm with, and then that fell through, and I almost bought a Super C. And then that one fell through, so I bought a John Deere. So there's an M. Another H. And down here we're going to see one. There's a nice little Super C tricycle. We're going to see one right here with some cultivators on it. Really nice job. I don't believe those cultivators have ever seen the dirt, but really nice job of that. A little B offset. And another B. And then we've got an A down here with a sickle bar on it. Nice setup. Love to see tractors with implements mounted. So that's it for this stop. Don't know where we'll stop again. Somewhere down the road we'll take another stop, and I'll just show you kind of where we're at in the middle of the road, and see y'all down the road. Bye, y'all.